Do you have authoritative street data? And do you perform a lot of address geocoding? If yes, you're in luck. I'll show you how you can build and use an address locator in ArcGIS Pro. Here's a simple example. To build your own address locator, you need to start with good data. Fortunately, the Halifax Regional Municipality has the goods. I downloaded their street data from their Open Data Hub, and it has the necessary attributes to build a simple locator. The key fields you need are a street name, street type, and 4 address range fields. In other words, for each street segment in your layer, you need to know the street name, the street type like avenue or boulevard, and the first and last address for each side of the street. This data is necessary to find the correct street segment and interpolate the location for each entered address. Now that you have the right street data, it's go time. In your geoprocessing tools under Geocoding tools, you'll find the Create Locator tool. Open this tool and start setting the parameters beginning with the country. For your primary table, choose your street data. And for role, choose street address. This defines the field mapping. Point your 4 address range fields with the matching parameters. Then do the same for street name and street type. If your street data has additional fields for parameters like postal code, city, province, or street direction like North Duncan Street, take advantage of those too. Finally, give the locator a good name and choose a language code. That's it. Click Run to build the new address locator. Here's the end result. It creates an LOC locator file and it's referenced in my project. Now let's make it do some work. I have a spreadsheet with a column of addresses. I will launch the Geocode Addresses tool to do some batch geocoding. I'll pick the spreadsheet and my new custom locator. Then I'll define the format of my input address fields and click Run. Bam! My custom locator pinpoints the addresses based on my authoritative street data. Hope this helps. Map on!